Student essays often contain problems with something we call parallel structure or parallelism. Now what that means is that your sentence needs to have a balance in grammar. Now it sounds a little complicated, so let's look at an example here. Look at this sentence. When talking to the group, he spoke sincerely and with passion. Now the problem with that sentence is sincerely is an adverb and with passion is a phrase. So that is what we call a faulty parallelism. These two things have to be the same grammatical structure in order for the sentence to be balanced and strong. So let's change it. When talking to the group, he spoke sincerely and passionately. Now you have two adverbs and you've maintained parallel structure. Now, when it comes to parallel structure, you also have options. You could change it in this way as well. When talking to the group, he spoke with sincerity and passion. And now you have two nouns. Okay, now let's look at another example. The cafeteria was messy, noisy, and it was crowded. Now the problem with that, obviously, is that messy and noisy are adjectives, and it was crowded is a clause with a subject, a verb, and a complement. So you have to change that so that they're all the same part of speech. So this is what I did. The cafeteria was messy, noisy, and crowded. Okay, just so we're clear, let's try one more example. Trying desperately to find his keys, he looked in his bedroom, the sofa, and on the kitchen counter. Now, similar to the first two, the problem here is that one of these items is not the same as the others. So you have in his bedroom, the sofa, and on the kitchen counter. You have two phrases and one noun. So you have to change it so that they're all prepositional phrases, like this. Trying desperately to find his keys, he looked in his bedroom, under the sofa, and on the kitchen counter. Okay. Now sometimes parallel structure is easier to notice than others. Take a look at this sentence. Even pause the video for a moment and take a real good look at it and decide what's the mistake with parallel structure here. University students use the internet to research essay topics. Business people use it to hold video conferences. And it is used by teachers to deliver homework assignments. Now the problem with that is two of those clauses are using active voice, while the last clause, it is used by teachers, is using the passive voice. And this is also a problem with parallel structure. So you have to make sure that they're all the same. So, university students use the internet to research essay topics, business people use it to hold video conferences, and teachers use it to deliver homework assignments. And now you've maintained parallel structure. So for a little bit of practice with this, a practice exercise, follow the link at the end of this video.